Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are okay and your family is safe and having fun doing your work. This is Mr. ElHaga from Piptic High School. This is a message for you guys. Be in touch with you every week. So again, I hope you are safe and your family. And if you need anything, you can call us or text through PLP, Go Guardian, or calls through our cell phones or school phones. Just do your best, don't worry about the result. We will be with you step by step. We appreciate you just doing your work right now and focus and be serious. And we are here to assist you and help you as a team at LSSPO Learning Center. Okay. So today we will work on table of values and we'll explain how it does work with linear equations. So previously we talked about linear equation, we explained what it means, how it look like, how the equation standard form look like, and what conditions I need to show the equation on before I do the process or before I solve it. So today we're gonna work on how to graph this equation. And to graph it, we need a few steps we need to learn first. The first thing we need to know, the table of values. Table of values. Before we explain what linear equation standard form is. So we say the linear equation standard form is equal y equal ax plus b. So now I have more than one variable, so I have y as a variable and x as a variable. We see this is input and this is output, and that's how the table of values works. So variable, because it has different values, and this is the idea of the table. So table of values consists of x and y. We said x is input, which is mean we will place x with values. Then after I solve the equation, it will give me result, a value for y. For the example, we will have y equal to x plus 1. Let's keep it very simple. Again, y is output, the 2 is unit slope, x is input, and 1 the y-interception. So as we said before, the 1 represents when after I graph my line, that's where I cut the vertical line of the y-axis. Here, that will be 2x plus 1. Now the equation here is ready. It's in a standard form. Y by itself, positive. Everything else on the other side. And there's no neighbors, nothing assigned, multiply, divided, subtract, added to y. So now this equation is standard form. So now we come to the table of values, which is meaning I will place values for x. Then each time I change the x value, y value also will be changed. For example, if I see here x value is -2. What happened? I will just rewrite my equation again without the x. I will rewrite the whole equation again. Exception, I'm not going to write the x. Y, we will see. So here I have y equal to, now I said x, I'm not going to write it, but I will put parentheses, empty parentheses for now, and instead of x, then plus 1. Same equation. The only thing is missing is x. Why? Because right now I will substitute x with the value I have, which is -2. Why I put parentheses? Because sometimes x value is negative and sometimes positive, and if I'm going to put parentheses, for example, if I say here 2, then I say -2 plus 1. Now there is no multiplication. That will be as if it was 2 minus 2 give you 0. However, it's multiplication. The 2 multiplied whatever value for x. So you need to pay attention. Both x value inside parentheses to avoid you any problem, or just like to mess up or mix things up for you. So now x value is -2, so I'm replacing x and place it with the value here I have, negative 2. So now we see the difference between this one and this one. Here, this 2 times negative 2, but here is 2 minus 2. Now, 2 times negative 2, the first 2 is positive, the second 2 is negative. Now the signal multiplication rule. Positive times negative, the first thing you multiply the signals. Positive times negative is negative. Why this one is positive? Because it doesn't have any signal in front of it. Just 2, just number by itself. This negative because it has negative signal in front of it. So negative, positive times negative is negative. Positive, 2 times 2 is 4. So first you multiply the signals, then after that you multiply the numbers. Then you move, after that you're done with this term here. Now move on. Plus 1 become plus 1. So it became as negative 4 plus 1. They have 2 different signals. Now 2 numbers, they have 2 different signals. And when the numbers have different signals, you will subtract. You will subtract. Then the greater signal will win. Why I mean with the greater signal? I have here is negative, here is positive. But with the negative, I have 4. However, with the positive, I just have 1. From there, the negative will be the greater signal. Has more numbers than the positive. So here, the answer will be negative. Again, the negative more than the positive. You subtract, and the negative will win. So your answer here will be negative. You come here, negative 4 plus 1. You negative and positive. They are different, so become negative. Then after that, 4 minus 1, 3. So the total answer here is what? Negative 3. So when x value was negative 2, y value came as negative 3. So here I place with negative 3. Move on. We suppose what we're gonna put x as 0. Same thing we done before. I have here what? Now we're done with the first value. Now we move on to the following value, or the next value. Y equal to, then parentheses, then plus 1. So what happened here, I'm replacing x with the following value, which is 0. So we come here 0 inside the parentheses. Then y, 2 times 0, anything times 0 is 0. Again, anything, when you multiply times 0, 0. 1 million times 0, 0. Negative 100 billion times 0, 0. 0 times 0 is 0. So it's not going to make any difference or change. Now 2 times 0, 0. Plus 1. Give you in the end 1. So y value here equals 1. So when x value was 0, y value came as 1. Move on. If we have here 3. So here, same thing. I'm writing my equation again, y to the parentheses instead of x and plus 1. X value here is 3. I'm replace x with the value. Then I'm finishing solving the rest or solving the equation. 2 times 3, positive times positive is positive. Then a number 2 times 3 is 6, then plus 1. The end give you 7. So y will be equal 7. So when x value was a 3, y value came as 7. So here, x 3, y is 7. And you could keep going. You could have table of values with many more numbers. Now, to graph any linear equations, you need 2 spots only. You need 2 numbers. To graph any linear equation, you just need 2 points or 2 values for x and y. So x negative 3, negative 2, y negative 3, 0 and 1. So you could use any 2 points and graph it. However, the third point, to make sure that line is straight and it's right. So for example, we'll choose here, this is the first point, A, and this is the second point, P. How I make sure my graph is right? By choosing a third point, and this third point lie on the the graph line I have. They must be the three of them on one line. That's why we make 3 points, to make sure it's right graph. So we have here the first point, -2, -3, 0, 1, 3, and 7. This represents the x-axis, and this represents the y-axis. So we have 3 points. When you graph the line, that should be approximately how it looks like. So now again, the table of values, it represented multiple values for x. You use these values in the equation, the standard form you have. Then you substitute x each time with the value you have, and each time x value will get a new y value. You change x, y will be changed. The input will change, the output will be changed. So I hope that was helpful. And if you have any question again, you can communicate with us through Facebook, GoGuardian, PLP. You have our cell phone, the school numbers, and just be in touch. Stay safe, and look forward to hear from you. Thank you.